Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on nowiknow channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix Google Play Store something went wrong error. So let's get started. Well, if you're trying to open up Google Play Store, but it keeps saying there's an error, something went wrong, here the first thing we're going to do to fix this problem is to check your internet connection. So here we're going to swipe down from the right corner of your screen and then toggle off, and then toggle off, and toggle off your internet connection. Or you can just turn off the Wi-Fi and turn on your cellular data, because sometimes the cellular data is stronger than your Wi-Fi. Now the second thing that we're gonna do to fix this problem, here we're gonna go to your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. Now tap on manage apps. And now look for Play Store. So now we want to clear Play Store cache. So tap on clear data, then clear cache and confirm. So by clearing the cache, this is gonna fix if there's any bugs in the app or any issues in the app itself. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.